Bon, vas-y. Le barbu? Vas-y, dis-moi vite alors ce que tu disais alors pour, euh, pour que tu pensais donc que l'âme c'est le bébé et que c'est le studio.
J'ai eu un flash.
Ouais, que tu as vu quoi? Donc tu as vu que ce qu'elle disait que c'était le studio qui était autour de nous en tant que personne, en tant que bébé.
J'ai eu un flash là maintenant
Ouais,
comme ça. Et comme je ne voulais pas que
ça te quitte.
ça disparaisse,
Ouais,
j'ai dit, j'écris tout de suite. Quand j'ai le flash, je l'écris tout de suite.
ouais.
Voilà.
Et alors qu'est-ce que je dois essayer de faire avec ça alors?
Tu dois considérer ce studio comme...
Un enfant?
Oui.
Hmm.
Moi, quand je l'ai écrit,
Ouais,
c'est au moment où je l'ai capté.
ouais,
Et je ne voulais pas attendre.
ouais,
J'ai dit, je le capte là maintenant comme ça. Je l'écris comme je le capte.
ouais.
Voilà, stop. Et je ne cherche pas à réfléchir ou à dire je reporte.
Et donc, ok. Ça veut dire, ça veut dire d'essayer de voir donc le studio en tant que comme si c'était ce bébé-là qu'on avait perdu qui a été dans le studio,
Car son
son
âme est
esprit.
dans le studio. Son âme est dans le studio. Son âme est dans ce studio. Parce que quand vous l'avez perdu, vous avez aussi commencé le studio.
Ouais.
Je pense, hein.
Ouais. Ok.
Donc, quand vous l'avez perdu, vous avez eu aussi le studio. Son âme est dans le studio.
Ouais. Hey, bon, je te rappelle en 2 secondes, ok? Dès qu'on retourne. Bisous. So I was just talking to my mom, and the importance of mothers as fathers, it really is so important. You know why it's important? It's important because we are always connected to our mom, nervous system, right? But we also get to be that healthy masculine energy in their life, you know? And so I love talking to my mom every single day because I'm also a model of that for my kids. And I have 6 kids, 4 boys and 2 girls. So I get to be that model for them of showing what healthy masculinity looks like. Loving your mom, loving their mom, loving our mommies, you know? And it's an honor that I get to do every single day. That's why you need to call your mommy. All right, let's talk about business. Let's talk about business. Let's talk about money. It's very interesting when we talk about business and money, right? What I've experienced as a dad and a father of 6 that wants to be present for his kids, that also wants to be very successful in business, is that the emotional safety that you have at home directly impact your result in business, right? It's like this. You can't really be successful in business if you are not emotionally safe at home. What I mean by that is like being able to be there out of the full cup. I know some people are going to be like, no, man, it's fine. You can be successful in business and then home is not good. And maybe, but it makes it so much harder to accomplish, right? I remember the year that we crossed $1 million in gross revenue as a business was the year that we actually invested in my marriage, meaning I actually gave money to a marriage coach, right? There was this exchange of energy, right? Because what money does is just like it amplifies things. It doesn't necessarily change you. It amplifies like who you already are. And when you have problem with money, it amplifies the challenges that you have at home as well, right? And so oftentimes, like this is what we're always trying to do. We're trying to go for the money, which is, if you think of it as a tree, right? Tree, so you have the soil, you have the roots, you have the trunk, and you have the fruits. The fruits is money. The fruits is a result. And we're going and seeking money and seeking the results. But the reality is like you cannot change the fruit. The fruit is just a result of a healthy tree, right? So the only thing that you can do is you can change the soil. That means you change where you're planted to somewhere else where the soil is better, right? Where you're around others that make it easier to grow, right? Or you fix the trunk. You get support, you get help, you get a coach, you get a mentor, somebody that can see what the issue is, the challenge is, and help you. But you cannot directly change the fruits. It doesn't happen. No tactic, marketing strategies will help you. None. You might go up for a little bit and then crash back down.